Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen, and today we are going to make mango and avocado salad. And the ingredients that I'll be using are ripe chopped mangoes, avocado, lemon, coriander, a pinch of salt, onions, white vinegar, and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. So guys, we are going to put the avocado on this dish. So the first thing that we do is squeeze lemon on the avocado. This is to maintain the color of the avocado, because if we leave it open like that, it will change its color. So we squeeze the onion, the lemon, squeeze it. Then we mix so that it won't change the color. We stir. So the next thing that I'll put is the onions. At this stage, I'll put the salt, the pinch of salt, and if you have black pepper, you can also add. Then I'll add the coriander. If you have parsley, also is good. You mix again. This one I'll set it aside, and then I'll take the oil, the 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. I'll add vinegar. This will act as a salad dressing. So 1 tablespoon. Then I'll mix it together, set it aside. I'll add my mangoes. Add my mangoes there. So after mixing well the mangoes with the avocado and the onion, this is the result. So what I'll do next is the dressing that I made with the vegetable oil and the vinegar. I'll sprinkle it on the salad. Yes. So guys, this is a salad that you can make quick for your family, your guests, friends who've come to visit. It's easy to prepare, and the ingredients are available in the market near you. So I hope you will enjoy this recipe, and let me know once you prepare how it will be. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel support us to reach 1,000 subscribers. Subscribing is free, guys. Subscribing is free. Please subscribe and view my videos. So now, guys, I'll serve the salad on the side plate. Then we're gonna test and I'll tell you how it is. So now I've served. Let me taste. Nice. It's delicious. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video until the end. I really appreciate. I thank you for your support. I thank you for subscribing. I thank you for watching my videos, and may God bless you. I'll still insist, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Yay!